Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to plant blueberries. So in this video, as you can see, my mom bought this blueberry plant. This is called a Vaccinium corybosum patriot. So this is a high bush variety blueberry plant. So always wanted blueberry plants. I never got one, so I just gonna plant that blueberry plant in this one. This is a pretty small plant, but it's gonna grow. So it says it's going to grow to 2 meters tall. So it's just a root ball, and as you can see, it's just that information. It's not so much. Let's just take it out then. I know. As you can see, it's pretty small plant. As you can see, pretty small, but it's got a root ball. I'm going to plant in the middle, and on this left side you can see there's a black berry plant. So this is a berry section because there's strawberries here as well. So just keep watching when I plant it. As you can see, I planted this a blueberry plant, pretty small, insignificant, but as you can see that blueberry plants like acidic soil, really acidic soil. So this soil on top is basically newly composted soil that I have composted last year. So this may be more acidic because this is only composted new soil, so that's good. So I'm going to plant it here and we'll see what happens, and I hope it grows. It has a really long root down there, so it might grow from the bottom. I'm not going to prune it because it's just a little small plant. So I might buy some obelisk here and for the blackberry as well. So that was it for today's video. That's this. So really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you later in the next video. Bye.